First of all, we don't make excuses. We don't blame. We don't defend. We don't do anything like that. What do we do when we actually have a misdiag or a missed call? Just today, we had a situation where a vehicle had an extensive amount of testing done on it, and it was very advanced testing, and the technician felt fairly confident that they had the answer and that we knew what had to happen to fix this automobile. We made the repairs, and the client took the vehicle home, and guess what? It didn't fix the car. Now, for starters, I know most of you have been in this situation before, but if you've not been in this situation, at some point in your career, you will be in this situation. And so what do? First of all, we don't make excuses. We don't blame. We don't defend. We don't do anything like that. All we say is, I am so sorry that you're having troubles. What do I need to do to get you taken care of? I can send a tow right now. Do you need a rental car? Do you need a loaner car? What can I do to help you out? Because this is unacceptable. I know it's a frustrating and aggravating thing. We're gonna get right on this and get this taken care of, okay? You notice I didn't say, well, I don't even know what's wrong with it yet. I don't know if that's gonna be my fault. Well, maybe you just get in here when you get a minute. No, I said, I'm gonna take care of it. What do I need to do? I'm gonna take affirmative action right now. I'm gonna be very aggressive. I'm going to do something right now to correct this. So step number one, over the top with your response. And it's always, I'm sorry. I know it's aggravating. It's never, I'm sorry, but you didn't approve this other thing and you didn't do it. No. If they're having trouble after they've picked their car up, I'm very sorry. I know how frustrating that is. I can send a tow. Do you need a rental car or a loaner car while we take a look at this? That's all there is to it. It's that simple. Next step, we get it in and we evaluate the situation. 90% of these cases, the consumer didn't understand something, the consumer didn't handle something properly. Ren's cut that part out. The consumer did not operate the vehicle correctly. Something changed in the way the vehicle operated. They didn't understand, right? It was something simple. It was something unrelated. But the thing is we took aggressive measures to get the vehicle in, evaluate the situation. Now we're going to pull it in before we do anything else, okay? That car is going first because they've had an issue. I am taking prompt action, and that means that the second it gets there, I'm gonna run out, I'm gonna have somebody grab some preliminary data, whatever I have to do. As a matter of fact, if the car runs and it's driving and it's safe to drive, I'll tell them, hey, come on over right now. We'll get right on this. We'll take a look. We'll see what's going on. And so as soon as I have that data, I'm calling them. And I'm saying, hey, we either missed it or we didn't miss it or whatever it is. I'm looking into this. I don't have an answer for you. I'm calling them frequently and keeping them updated, all right? I'm not trying to like mute them out. I'm not trying to keep it to where they're not hearing from me. I'm calling them as soon as I have updates. I'm calling them with no updates because they're probably stressed out about the situation, and rightfully so. So I'm updating them, keeping them apprised. If it is something that we missed, what do? I either refund the initial purchase price because my repair didn't fix the concern, or if the new repair is more expensive, I take care of the new repair. Because if I missed it, that's on me. That's why I charge what I charge, because I stand behind what we do. That's my name on the door. I'm on the hook for that. It's not the consumer's fault. It's not the tech's fault. I mean, it could be the tech's fault, but it's not the tech's financial responsibility. It's not the tech's financial liability. That's me. That's my job. And so I'm gonna take care of it. Now, if it was not us, it's unrelated, something that has nothing to do with us, I'm still taking a very similar approach, except I'm collecting data and I'm going back to Bob and I'm saying, Bob, man, I'm really sorry you experienced this. I've got this data here. You can see this was unrelated to the repair we made. Now there's a caveat to that. Should we have recommended that repair? Should we have shown the client something? Should we have talked about this? Or is this something that we could never have predicted? And if it's something I couldn't have predicted, I'm just gonna say, Bob, I'm really sorry. There was no way we could have foreseen this happening. We'll definitely get you an estimate over to get this taken care of, but it's unrelated to the work we did. If they're not reasonable enough to understand and respect that, then I'm probably not the shop for them. If they are reasonable enough to understand that, then I'm gonna tell you right now, most people are gonna say, hey, I really appreciate you checking that for me. That's all there is to it. End of discussion. What can I do to make you whole? At the end of the day, that's what we're asking. What can I do to make you whole? What do I need to do to take good care of you? What do you need from me? I know this was aggravating. I know this was frustrating. I'm here to take care of you. What do you need from me? That question will save you thousands of dollars. I promise. But that's just my opinion.